look at the camera. Everybody wave. Look at the camera. Wave, wave, wave. So what's growing in there?
Garlic, western, garlic, different types of garlic that works well in cold areas and high altitude. Oh, location! Ooh, you guys are gonna go to Worms. They want to ride the horse. Okay.
While you're walking by, show them all the apple blossoms. We're not going to have anything in our orchard this year because of the snow. We had pears.
Okay. Me
llamo Ramon.
Me llamo Tortuga.
And Ramon is supposed to go to class.
They're laughing at my name.
Tortuga.
Alright, go start us off.
Alright, do you guys know what vermiculture is?
No.
They can do.
Alright, it's the study of worms. Like fishing worms. Yeah. Alright, do you know what worms are used for?
Oh, for fishing.
Yeah, that's one use.
Eating.
Some countries.
Yeah, in some countries.
In some countries.
Anybody else?
Alright, well.
Do animals?
Are you almost in first grade? Are you guys going to be in first grade next year?
Are you guys having fun? Yes? Is Jose translating for you? How many people speak Spanish?
They all speak English.
They all speak English? You guys don't speak Spanish?
Who speaks Spanish?
Raise your hand if you
Who
speak
speaks
Spanish.
Spanish? Logan, do you speak
What,
For your garden.
yeah, what do we use our poop for? Any guess?